Are you ready? Okay, would you rather sit on nails or sit on ice? Ouch. Would you rather get bit by a tarantula or a vicious dog? Number 3. Get lost in the jungle or be the last person on Earth before you pick one. Think hard, because both of these are pretty scary. Eat wet cat food or eat dog treats after every meal. Be a horrible cook or not know how to drive forever. Yeah, subscribe. Would you rather eat salad every day or eat vegetable soup every day? Would you rather bust your head or fall off a ladder? Would you rather listen to roosters crow all day or listen to thunder all day? Live in Walmart or live with mean parents? Number 10, bite your tongue or get a paper cut. Ouch, goodness. Have all your teeth fall out or go fully bald. Oh, this is bad. Learn how to drive or learn how to cook. This is a good one. Would you rather wear clown shoes every day or wear a clown nose every day? So embarrassing, right? Would you rather have really short legs or have really long arms? Would you rather be allergic to chocolate or be allergic to ice cream? Number 16, eat a rotten egg or eat expired yogurt. Number 17, never eat fruit again or never eat veggies again. Number 18, bake a pizza or bake a cake. Number 19, would you rather eat oysters or eat fish? Would you rather play sports or play video games? Would you rather drive a fire truck every day or ride a horse every day? Would you rather be a babysitter or be a dog sitter? Would you rather ride a scary roller coaster or see a boring movie? Number 24. Never have to sleep or never have to eat. Number 26. Be an amazing photographer or be an amazing writer. Number 27. Number 28. Eat homemade meals every day or eat fast food every day. Not be able to smell bad smells or not be able to taste bad food. Eat something spicy or eat something bitter. Number 31. Number 32. Eat old donuts or eat old pizza. Number 33. Go to the beach or go to the mountains. Number 34. Have a longer Christmas break or have a longer summer break. Number 34. Visit every country on Earth or go into space. Time for fun, go to a water park or amusement park. Oh yeah. Would you rather watch a scary movie or read the Bible? Would you rather step on a nail or smell like sour milk? Have giant hands like Hulk, or be small like Plankton on SpongeBob SquarePants? Last one, friends. Number 40. Wanted to stay winter all year or wanted to stay summer all year? Shout out to Lo-Fi Hip Hop for becoming a new subscriber. We love you. Welcome to the family. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video. Okay, see you in the next video.